Hello there, fellow traders. Thank you so much for joining into today's video. Okay, so today's video is going to be an interesting video. I'm basically going to teach you about, first off, okay, post-market analysis about a move that where we can see BTC is moving towards the upside, but not that strongly. Okay, don't worry about in terms of why it's not so strong and so on and so forth. It is only because this video, basically the trade that we did just now, is based off the weekends. Okay, today is actually, it was a Saturday. Okay, at the time we're recording this video at 1 a.m, 1:30 a.m. Okay, now it's a Sunday morning. Okay, but this is the reason why over the weekends we tend to not see that much of volume in the markets, especially for cryptocurrencies. But it doesn't mean there's no opportunities. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at Asia. You cannot see this type of movements, okay, in forex. Forex is closed, to be honest. Okay, it doesn't mean I'm speaking anything bad about forex currency or anything. I still trade forex as well. Okay, but what I'm trying to share with you is that there is always opportunities, especially in crypto, because crypto market runs 24/7. If you didn't know that, okay, 365 days in a year, you can trade cryptocurrencies every single day. All right, so the concept I want to share with you today is about understanding clearly who is in control and what can you do. Basically, how can you, how can I say, grab that opportunity as soon as you can, especially when the markets tend to move a lot slower. Okay, there are ways on how we can do this. All right, first of course, we have to be able to identify who is in control. Number one. All right, so based on this, right? Okay, we are actually looking at a M5 time frame, as you can see. So basically 5 minutes. What that basically means is each of these candles you see here, these beautiful candles, it can be either green or red, whichever color you like.
Okay.
But the thing that you have to understand is each of these candles, it takes 5 minutes for them to close. If you can see right now, right, we're seeing a greenish candle, right? Greenish candle. So this is what we call a bullish candle. Can you see there's a timer right here, guys? 1 minute and 49 seconds, 48 seconds, 47 seconds, okay? This is just showing us how long until the next 5 minutes is up. When this timer hits zero, this candle will be closed and the new one will be formed. Okay, that's the only difference in terms of all of these time frames. They just carry, the bigger time frames carry a lot more data. Okay, the smaller time frames carry lesser data, but they do play their each individual roles, especially into trading, okay, into understanding about external structure and internal structure. But all of that we will get into, okay, so no worries. Let's just focus on today's topic, which is about what happens, okay, if you see there are two players in control. Usually when market moves in a consolidation style, all right, we tend to see two people in control, okay, bears and bulls. But who can we trust? How can we know who is the one majoritarily holding the power right now in the current markets? Okay, if you had this question, okay, awesome, you actually came to the right video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into my 1 minute time frame. Okay, if you guys are wondering why am I going into the 1 minute time frame, okay, there's nothing fancy. It's just because this price action is not really pretty lah. Okay, it's too many candles side by side. There's so many wicks. Okay, I cannot see enough of candle separation. This is just based on my personal likings lah, in terms of when I want to read price action. Okay, you can be different and it's totally fine. Okay, so when we go into the 1 minute time frame, it becomes a lot more clear for me. Right, in this case, I don't usually trade in 1 minute. Okay, I just like to analyze in 1 minute time frame after I enter a specific trade, just to see potential reversals that may be happening if I were to go for a buy or maybe for a sell. All right, that's it. Nothing fancy about it. So I actually did some drawings already to help us, okay, identify them already. So this is where bulls actually showed their footprint in the market. Okay, the way how I'm able to analyze this is solely based on my own personal trading strategy, which I teach 100% for free. I'm actually having an event held tomorrow. Okay, by the time I post this video, I think maybe you might be seeing it after I do the event, but that's totally fine because this event I will do it time to time is exclusively only available in my Discord community, which is 100% free to join, all right? Even 100% free to gain access to this type of exclusive event. The only thing you have to do is register to the link in the description below, okay, where it says register to become a trader, okay, all for free. Once you've done, you can see the number right there, right? That's actually my WhatsApp number, or you can reach out to my Instagram handle. That's my Instagram handle right there. Just text me and let me know that, hey, Guna, I did register to the link. What's next? I will personally invite you into our Discord community where you can gain access to our daily mappings, our fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and meet many other like-minded traders as yourself. All right, so let's get back into today's session. So based on my personal training strategy, bulls were actually showing their presence here, okay? And then bears were showing their presence here, okay? So maybe I can press a replay. So this will help us to identify a little bit more, okay? So when we see this happening, okay, we as traders, we have to start making decisions. What decision is that? In trading, we can only place buy or sell, okay? So the decision making is actually very straightforward and very simple. But at the same time, it will create a very different outcome based on what we choose, okay? So I personally, okay, my trading strategy is once I find out who is potentially in control, in this case, there are two people, okay? I like to see which which footprint is getting violated, okay? Which mitigation area is getting respected, okay? Who are we actually seeing the push lah, okay? Who is actually driving the movement more in terms of this session, okay? A bit difficult because like I said, we are over the weekend, we won't really see much movement or much volume, and that's totally fine. We can still find opportunities. I am here to show you right now, okay, how clear it is to find out who is truly in control. Okay, number one, you see, this is bulls. Bulls are the people that push price up. These are bears. Bears are the people that push price down. Okay, if bulls are the one in power, price, regardless however it moves, price should not trade below the bull level. Okay, vice versa. If bears are in control, okay, price should not trade above the bears area. Okay, this is what I mean by violated lah. Okay, so let's see. So now when price moves in, you see it almost violates the bull footprints, but it didn't. Okay, this is still considered it didn't. This is bears, right? Okay, so this is another footprint of bears. So there is a lot of footprints telling us that, hey, you know what? Potentially price is going to move down because I'm seeing two footprints of bears. This was actually my initial idea of the trade, okay? But then, okay, you see, violates. So this bear gets, you can say, eliminated, all right? At the same time, you see, it trades to this level. This gets eliminated. Just based on this understanding, right? Even before we go all the way to the next stages, right? You already can put in your mind, you have to only be focusing now on buys. Because the bulls that were in power, again, regardless, the price is moving fairly slowly, okay, compared to the weekday, but still, they are the ones that are currently in power. So when you are able to identify, okay, the bears are the people that are getting violated, the bulls are the ones that are driving price. Right now, I'm going to be mainly focusing on buys. I'm going to forget about any sell opportunities as of now. All right. So what will we do? Okay, we find our mitigation range. Okay, and then we start to see any possible entries that we could be entering the market in. All right. So let's go on. Let's continue. Okay. So, okay, this is not really a potential entry yet. Okay, but I want to show you guys the next bears lah. Okay, so you see these bears here. Okay, this is another sign of bears. Again, do not get worried or confused like, oh, why are you saying here are bears? Or this is just part of my personal training strategy. If you guys would like to learn that for yourself, please feel free to register to the link in the description below. Just text me in either my WhatsApp number or reach out to my Instagram. Just let me know that you already registered and I will personally invite you into that Discord community. All right? So you see, there we go, guys. Violated again. This brings out a lot more confirmation for us, okay? It's actually fairly simple as long as you are able to identify those that are in control and the footprint set by the opposite party. Okay, so if bulls, the opposite party is bears. If bears, the opposite party is bulls. Wow, that was a tongue twister there. It was a fun one. Okay, so then let's continue. The only potential run, okay? This I also highlighted in my live stream just now, okay? The only potential beautiful entry was this one. Okay, if you guys are asking me why, this is actually mitigation range. Okay, this is again, if you guys are confused, whatever that is, like I said, this is part of my training strategy. I exclusively teach this in my Discord community. If you guys are interested, please feel free to register and reach out to me. You'll be part of that journey as well. All right, because we want to be able to teach people 100% for free. I won't charge you a single dollar to learn from me. Okay, you have to invest just in yourself because we want genuine traders who are actually trading and really want to be part of this journey to grow together with other like-minded traders we already have being part of our community. All right, so this is the only potential entry. To be honest, I missed this entry during our live session. Okay, because I think I went to the restroom at the time, which was unfortunate, but it was totally fine because it was still a very fun live session. I was able to engage with you guys, which I truly love doing, and also we were able to learn a lot, especially in terms of understanding who truly is in control. All right, so let's continue a bit more. Oh, sorry guys, I deleted the wrong thing. Okay, let's continue a bit more. So see another bear signs. Okay, and what we expect to happen? Of course, price to take it out. So another thing, right, you can look at this is wherever the bear signs actually were, you can use them as target points. Okay, because you know bulls are the main driver of price. So whenever price dips down and we start to see any signs of bulls coming in, basically a bullish candle coming in, you guys can potentially go for buys, aiming for those bears footprints. Just keep in mind that bulls are going to attack those bears wherever they set their footprints in this current session. All right, very simple, very straightforward, but yet, you see, no one is able to touch him yet as of now. All right, so when this happens, you already will know bulls are in control. Hence, the sell option, you must literally delete it from your mind, solely focus on buys. All right. Okay guys, so I hope this video was insightful and I tried to keep it as short as possible. I think we did it. How many minutes was this? 12 minutes, still better, okay? Still consider, okay, we're improving. Do wait for the next video, which I'll be releasing almost every single day. Okay, I'll be sharing with you guys a lot more about post-market analysis and also fundamental ideas and technical ideas, something like this. All right, if you guys like this video, please remember to give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, leave a comment letting me know maybe a next potential video you would like to personally learn, and then maybe I can make that video and release it so that you guys and maybe your friends and also family members maybe that may be interested in the trading, we can all learn and earn together. All right, until the next one, take care guys, have a good one, bye bye.